Welcome to this tutorial video. Today, we delve into the intricacies of finding and replacing wildcards, those asterisks, question marks, and tildes that can transform your text data effortlessly. Join us as we explore this essential method, unlocking the potential to wield control over your spreadsheet narratives. We may enter some special characters like asterisk, question mark, tilde in Excel, and these special characters are recognized as wildcards when finding and replacing them in Excel. So, if we want to find or replace the wildcards with the others, we may get the improper result or the result is not the result we expected. First, see an example. Asterisk, question mark, tilde are included in contents. If we find or replace these characters with the others, what result we will get? Find question mark in above table. Notice that if we enter question mark in find what text box and click find all in find and replace screen, all cells with contents are listed in result. This is not what we expect, right? So how can handle this case? Now you can follow the below steps to get the solution. 1. Click Home to find and Selection to find, or Replace, to enter Find and Replace window. Enter tilde question mark in Find What text box. Click Find All to load result. Verify that only the cell includes question mark is loaded. The others are not listed in the result list. Replace asterisk with OK word. Click on Replace tab. You can also click Ctrl+H to load Find and Replace screen directly. Enter tilde asterisk in Find What text box. Click Replace All. Verify that all done. We made 2 replacements. Dialog box pops up. Check the result. Verify that asterisk is replaced with OK properly now. The same operation can be used for find and replace tilde. We just need to enter tilde in text box to do find and replace. Now that we've unlocked the potential of wildcards in find and replace, you can efficiently transform and manipulate your text data. This method provides a dynamic approach to tackle various scenarios. For more Excel wizardry and tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share this video with fellow spreadsheet enthusiasts, and, as always, thanks for watching.